Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Collin's in the bathroom, so he will not be joining us for this video. But we already did this. We didn't do a video of it. We replaced went to the junkyard, picked up some originals because we bought some aftermarkets and they were not very good. Looks like he's joining us. Hurry up, get over here. Run over here. Put your pants. Put your belt on. You ready? Okay, so we replaced this mirror because look at this.
That's good.
That ain't moving at all now. Like it was hard to even adjust. Here was the old one that we removed. And want to see the weird thing? This is factory. They're the same design, same exact everything, except this one arm is bigger, and this part right here is flip-flopped. See? But the bottom was the exact same, so the mounts went up, and we just had to flip the rubber mount over, and it fit.
Yeah, look at this one.
Look at it. I mean, it's like the same thing, but here's why. There's no way I had to replace it. Show.
You gotta do. You can just. Anytime you're driving or hit anything, it just.
That's what it did. It pointed down. So we got that done. Went over to the other side. Tried to do the other side. At the junkyard, the bottom was broke off, and this was bent. We were going to keep it because I knew ours was mounted like this, and we could have just switched it. But this part was bent too, so we just left it. I wish we took it, but we took the top mirror part. As you can see, this one's not as loose as that, but it's loose. Like that one, you can't move. And I'm repeatedly trying to hit it with PB Blast.
Do you see how much rust just came off?
And a Torx 40. And see what it's doing? It's bending my Torx with the breaker bar, so it's not going to come off. So, we're moving on to the big boys, and everybody loves destruction, so.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
I didn't know why you had a power cord.
All right, here we go. We got some metal blades on here. And we're going to go to town. Are we even getting through? Getting through the outer. I'm not sure if we're getting through the actual bolt. It might be too hardened steel, so I might have to cut around it and then pop the bolt through. We'll find out.
You're right there.
No, we're through the bolt halfway. It's just slow because it's such a big... My hand's cramping. More than halfway through.
Do you want me to get your Hardy gloves?
No, we're good. We're good. All right. Let's see what happens real quick.
I was about to say, you think you can just break that off?
Not yet. Not yet. I could, but there's glass, so I'm going to be gentle. I don't want to break it and smoke myself in the face. Keep, they're still there. Just so hardened steel for the bolt. Through the bolt, I think. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. I should have used the cutoff wheel instead. Good Lord. This guy does not want to go. Look at that. There's nothing on it. I can't believe it. It's strong for how. Good Lord.
How do you not through that?
It should be breaking free, but it's metal. Vroom, vroom. There we go. That took forever. And after all that, now we gotta figure out a way to get this part off. I'm gonna grab I wish I had cut a little more and grab like a vice grip and a tool to try to pull it off, but come on. All right, so after that, take a vice grip, hold it, get your part in there, and we're free. Now we gotta pop that out of there. We're probably gonna have to use a hammer.
Just slide very big.
I don't think it's gonna work. Right. Well, let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, there we go. All right, and we are free. We're not gonna be able to touch this though.
Hot as balls.
It's still hot from that saw, but we're free. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta do, Collin. Go get like paper towels and wipe this off here. Here's I said the Junkyard one. Like I said, I wish we had took it because theirs was broke off. I didn't know if it was this. I should have took the arm. We should have made it, and then we'd have had both the same. But that's all right. We cut that off. We knew this one stayed in place, and I'm gonna adjust this here, and we'll have to tighten it, and then we'll have to get in the seat and figure it all out. But look at them, beautiful, 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 beautiful. It needs to be cleaned a little.
Yeah.
Hold this, Collin. Hold this. So you tighten it. Make sure you decide before you break your Torx set. I almost sheared this one off. Wrestling with it.
I got it.
Got it?
Yep. It's not gonna, it's light. It should be good.
Okay, and you saw how the mirror was? Look. See that?
You gotta still kind of tighten these.
Yeah, no, it's the bottom part.
Oh.
No, we didn't take this off.
I'm saying it was kind of like wobbly. Look.
This was wobbly, not these.
Oh, did you fix it?
No, but it's a different part.
Oh.
This needs a socket wrench thing, which we're going to do too. Now we're going to tighten this guy up because he was loose. And that was a lot of loose, wasn't it? That was a lot. And then these are a little loose, so I'm going to tighten them. What do you think? That guy ain't moving now. We'll loosen it to move it, fix it, and then we're going to tighten these, which are a 30. Give me a 30, Collin.
Of this?
30 TEKTON, yep. Torx, not TEKTON. These ones sometimes pull up. You get in? Oh yeah, those weren't all the way tightened either. So somebody messed with these, because this, I don't think it was like this. I really wish I'd gotten the other one, because then the mirror is higher now on that side. If you look, it's up in the air more. I wish we'd gotten that arm. And we'll go back for it. See, these are loose too. So all that could have affected why these moved. Look at that guy, that wasn't even on at all. Oh, you know what? That one doesn't even work anymore. So that means whatever's in the door hole is gone. So it might need to be tightened up in like some JB weld or something. So these are a little roasted. Get here in this door real quick. I'm gonna do it just for me, Collin, then you can fix it to yourself. All right, everybody. I know that wasn't a whole lot of repair type stuff, but you saw different years. This is an 83.
You gotta see
That's
destruction.
That's an 89 mirror thing, and this is bent. I think we're gonna go back and get that, and because it has this, we're gonna be able to make it fit. So we're gonna go back and get just the bracket. So maybe tomorrow. Okay. Hope you liked the video. That's it. We got good mirrors now, so it'll pass inspection.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Like it?
Yeah.
You happy? So that's all today. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, if it helps during these times. And as always, I'm RJ.
See you today, each every day. Bye bye.